My yard uses secondary irrigation water that comes from Utah Lake through a system of canals. Utah Lake is very dirty and murky, so the water we get has a lot of debris and gunk in it. I've even found leeches in the irrigation water. The water inlet to our neighborhood has a cool rotary water filter that removes the larger debris, but smaller particles still get through. So each house needs a finer water filter to prevent sprinklers from getting clogged. These filters get dirty and need to be taken apart and cleaned periodically. The problem is these filters are huge and really hard to disassemble. Mine consists of an upper and lower chamber sealed together with a large ring. It's tough to remove the ring because it's so big and the friction makes it worse. Dirt and sand also get into the threads, making it harder to unscrew. Plus the filter is buried in a ground box and the working space is super tight. So it's a real pain to open it up and clean the filter. To solve this, I'm going to design a special 3D printed filter wrench that makes opening it a breeze. Because the filter is so large, I'll divide the wrench design into 3 segments that I can print separately and then combine it into one big-ass water filter wrench. By the way, I'm Tim, an electrical engineer who applies engineering principles to gardening and irrigation. Okay, let's get started. First, I need dimensions. I wrapped a piece of string around the filter ring to measure its circumference. It came out to be 28.5 inches for a diameter of 9 inches. Now let's jump into the CAD and design the wrench. Okay, let's try this thing out. Awesome, it totally works. If you're having trouble with your irrigation water filter and want to try this yourself, I've included links to the printable STL files down below. If you love gardening and technology, please subscribe and check out vegetronics.com for cool gardening gadgets and automation ideas. Thanks for watching.